To put the thin common cartridge exports with web links in your LMS, download the file from the webbook homepage. Then, go into your LMS course, click on Settings, and select Import Course Content. Import the file. Select Common Cartridge 1x Package. This process might look slightly different in different LMSs. Once this process is complete, parts of the book will become modules, and chapters will become pages. Now you can use the book as the spine of your course. You can delete modules or pages, move them around, or publish and unpublish them.